It's a new 2019 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. It comes with great features you love: manual transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and V6 engine. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Take it for a test drive today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.